Yesterday on US Open, we broke here on Bitcoin to the upside, but when we are looking on this 1 hourly chart, we see here very clearly that we're not able yesterday breaking here our 15 moving average to the upside and are trading here right now a little bit more to the downside with our potential target of 108,000 US dollars. So in this video, we definitely have to talk about if we are reaching here 108,000 US dollars or will we see some more support coming in at 112,000 US dollars and see the move back to the upside to 120,000 US dollars, because also on the liquidation they are building much more liquidity here to the up and even also to the downside, and there's one specific event today which could prepare some more volatility for the market. So definitely stick around and let's directly start here with first of all our liquidation map, because we see here since yesterday we are building some more liquidity now to the downside. Yesterday it was fully stacked here to the upside, but as when we saw the US marketing opening, we killed all the liquidity here at around 114,000 US dollars, even still, in the night to 115,000 US dollars, and trading now again a little bit more to the downside and facing more the liquidity here on 112,000 US dollars. So this 112,000 US dollar level is a very crucial level for us. As I told you also before, this level needs to be held, otherwise we could potentially drop here all the way down to 108,000, 109,000 US dollar. But also the 112,000 US dollar level give us a new opportunity to get here into the market. So if we're going here now to the 15-minute chart here on the lower time frames, we see now kind of like a little bit more bounce here, finding a little bit more support here on Bitcoin. But as soon we are getting here at $112,000 level, we are kind of back here in our buy zone. So this is the potential long entry we can also do here for Bitcoin. Keep the stop loss very close. So even, kind of like here, let's check quick also here on the liquidation where the biggest bar is sitting, 112,100 US dollars. So kind of like in this range, you can potentially enter the trade and keep the stop loss here kind of a little bit under the last low at 111,800 US dollars. So even if we are taking out this low here on the 15-minute chart down below there, expect to definitely move here way lower to 110, even potentially also lower. But for the price target, we could definitely aim here also. First of all, we take here the next zone on the resistance side, which gave us here at around 114,700 US dollars. But also there the liquidity will starting building up. So at least if we are getting here in this liquidity over there, I expect here also a move up to 116,000 US dollar. This could goes very quick, especially when we have the US market opening. We saw it yesterday here at, we saw the massive move here, not like a crazy massive move, but a 2% to the upside. So we could also expect something else also today. So if we saw here 2% move to the upside, this is exactly the move into the liquidity zone. So this should be also our take profit, but take some profits all the way up if you are getting here closer in the next liquidity zones over there. And also some more volatility will come in the market, because today the jobless claims will drop out here at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, which is kind of like around 1 hour before the US opening time. So definitely expect here a little bit more volatility came in. So don't over leverage if you're going here in a long position. If you don't know where you can trade, just go in the video description. There you'll find a link directly to Bitfinex. This is the exchange I do all my trading position, even on spot and also on futures. Just go there, find the link in the video description, claim your deposit bonus. You get a deposit bonus here on top, and even also you save on the fees. So check out the link in the video description. And let's talk about Ethereum, because yesterday in the video I told let's talk about Ethereum, but sadly I forgot to talk about it. So take some time to talk also about Ethereum. We are here in our kinda like a bull flag. Finally we broke here to the upside, but we're getting again rejected from this higher resistance area. So it seems for me that we are not can call this like a bull flag, because the flag will be a little bit more too long. It's more like a channel here what we are building here right now. So I expect here also at least is we are not breaking here this channel here to the upside, we can first of all delete also our bull flag target. So at least if we are not able to break this resistance line to the upside, we should also expect here some more lower moves also for Ethereum. Next target zone for Ethereum would be definitely here if we are breaking here in this kind of range again, around $4,100, and hopefully we get here nice bounce back to the upside to get in the next long position also on Ethereum, because this seems to be a very strong support. We also came here down on 2 days before at around $4,000 level, so we saw this then a massive move to the upside. Even also on yesterday, when we're going here in a lower time frame, we see we're testing also this level again over there. So this is kind of like a big resistance area down below here. So at least if we are holding this kind of range, we should be definitely fine. And at least when we are breaking out here to the upside, expect here a move here for Ethereum straight into the next all-time high. So kind of main target would be around $4,800. And if we are breaking here, this high is definitely some more room to the upside to breaking here in the next all-time high, which gave us a trade target. Let's have a quick look for our trade target. To the last high, like 10% to the upside. Stop loss like a little bit more closer, like a 1 or 2% stop loss here around this kind of level, which is the ratio about from 3 to 9, which is absolutely amazing for this trade. So definitely wait here also for the breakout till entering this trade. Otherwise, the next trade you can also enter is here when we're getting here in our support line down below there. Stop loss at least making under the last low, because if you're breaking this low, expect here also a move under $4,000 level. And if we are losing also this support line, we should also aim the target here for $3,800. But as long we are holding this $4,000 market, we are still fine. And this gave us a trade target of kind of 16% here to the upside. I will definitely also position myself here for a new limit order. We are still in our Ethereum trade since $2,900, but I will also open a next Ethereum trade here on Bitfinex. So if you also want to take part of this trade, just go in the video description. There you'll find a link here to Bitfinex, and also you'll find a link to our Telegram channel where I share all the information when I took a new trade or some more information about the current market. Even also today I posted here some more news data, so there you can prepare yourself even if you are trading or just investing in the crypto market. So definitely take also part of the Telegram channel. So down in the video description you find also the link to our Telegram channel. And that's basically also from the video today. So you get 2 trade scenarios here on Ethereum. One here, if you're breaking here to higher levels in the kind of range of $4,300, and also the next trade target if you are, and also the next trade setup if you see here lower move on Ethereum. And also don't forget to position yourself here on Bitcoin, because I expect you definitely also when the US marketing is opening, massive move here also for Bitcoin. Even if it's go to the downside, you can position yourself here around $112,000. And if you saw here, finally the break here, as we was talking yesterday about this W pattern to the upside, expect here a move in Bitcoin kind of close to $116,000 level. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then we see you in the next update video tomorrow.